Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a bookmark to your Slack channel really quickly. For example, a website or a specific page you would like to save as a bookmark in your channel so that all of your channel or workspace members may have access to that bookmark website really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to your Slack workspace here in the top left corner. And after that, pick the channel from the left-hand side you would like to add the bookmark to. So let me go with that channel here. And after that, guys, left click on the given channel, and this is going to redirect you to that overview and chat history here on the right hand side. So what you want to do is pay attention to that plus icon here at the top below your channel's name. Click on it, and from that menu below, simply select the bookmark. And after that, simply enter the URL of the bookmark website. So let me go with google.com, for example, copy the URL address, head back to your bookmark, paste the link here, just like that. Give it a name, for example, here below. You may also assign a folder if you like. And that's basically it, guys. You simply click on add here. And that's it. That's how you create a bookmark for your websites and pages in your Slack workspace and channels. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.